know they're coming up to me, 'cause I'm just the kind of flower that's stinging from the beat, but the rhythm's getting higher. Go.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Seth. This is Modestly Minimal. And I'm sure if you've ever been anywhere, you've rented a vehicle. And that process sucks. I hate having to set aside 30 minutes to go in when I pick the car up and when I drop the car off and have the most useless conversation ever with any rental car employee. You've got to sign a ton of paperwork. They make you feel like a terrible human being that doesn't know how to drive. They just, it's awful. I hate it. So, when we knew we were coming down here to Siesta Key, Florida for a week to see our family, spend time on the beach, and just get away from Denver, I said, why don't we rent a vehicle? Why don't we have just one cool car while we're here? And what's the easiest, most minimalistic way to do that? So we found Turo, and through Turo, you can rent an array of cars. It doesn't matter what kind of car you're looking for. You're looking for a Tesla, you're looking for a Toyota Camry, you want a Mercedes AMG, you want a Ferrari Enzo. The possibilities are endless. Everything is out there, from $13 a day all the way up to like $1,500 to $2,000 a day. So there's a wide range in the budget as well. We originally booked a 2021 Tesla Model 3 Sport. We left on Sunday morning. On Saturday morning, the Turo company reached out to us. They said, hey, your car's unavailable right now. It's got to go to the shop. It needs a battery replacement, and you're not going to be able to use it. But in the email, they included at least 5 cars in this area that were available within our price range and kind of the same model. They also said if we rented one of those cars from their list for the same period of time, they would cover any additional costs of the rental. So we ended up with this beautiful 2022 Tesla Model 3. It's been an absolute blast. Looking at how you pick it up, it's not a crazy process. We got to the airport, we texted the guy and said, I'm here. I took a picture of myself with my license and the car. He unlocked it. There was cash in the center console to pay for parking. And that was it. Literally, that was it. The only drawback that I have had of having a Tesla here on Siesta Key in Florida is there's like 0 charging stations. Our home doesn't have a 240 volt port to be able to plug the car into anywhere. So we have to drive like 30 minutes to a supercharger. It all kind of sucks, that part. But having this car and having it out on the island and just being able to drive around or drop it off at valet and go have like a nice dinner, this car has been just exquisite. And if you haven't noticed, I have matched everything: the white watch band, the white shoes, the white shirt, the khaki cuts AO hybrid shorts. This white color is so versatile. It's so pretty in the Tesla, and it just feels tropical. Now, Turo doesn't have any sort of referral program, affiliate program, anything like that. But if you're coming here to Siesta Key or Sarasota, I will link this car specifically in the description down below. Let's take a quick look at this vehicle though. So, once again, if you want to rent this vehicle next time you are in Siesta Key or Sarasota, Florida, it will be linked in the description below. The amount of heads that you turn driving just such a clean, sleek looking car is incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video, our first experience with Turo and our first experience with a Tesla. Now the job is to go home and convince Megan that we need to get one of these. See you again in the next one.
One in a million.